I have 2 points here to ponder. First point is that God is truly pro-life. We have a God who is indeed pro-life. This is the gospel reading today is one of the passages in the Bible that would like to manifest that God desires for life, not for our death. Because we see here that we have a God of the living. Buot siya nga buhi, taba? Kay siya Diyos sa mga buhi, dili sa mga patay. Buot siya nga magpakabuhi kita ni ining kalibutan. Ug ang ato untang kausa, our ambitions in life as well, hopefully aligned with that particular desire or character of God, pro-life. There are reasons, hopefully, to celebrate life. We search meaning for life. Hopefully, we set aside, we try our best to remove, minimize the reasons nga may pamatay. We look for reasons to celebrate the life that the Lord has given us. Kada bitong mga rason nga life-giving, dili unta rason nga may pangmawaan ning kalibutan na. Hopefully, brothers and sisters, we are also pro-life. Unlike the Sadducees, ang ilang concern, magminyuay pa ba dito sila? Hopefully, dili unta ta magpadaan na nga mga klase sa mga concerns, kundi ang ato untang concerns, unsaon nga magpadayon tas kinabuhi o kita magkinabuhi sama sa Dios. Life-giving and a life of being with God. Number 2, we have enough reasons to hope in God. We have enough reasons to hope in God. Our gospel reading today mentions about this detail, no? All the 7 died childless. For all 7 brothers had been married to her. One commentary na I happened to read mentions that number 7 would emphasize the reality of ad infinitum. Murag unending ba? Murag wa nay katapusan. Sama pananglit, wala man gyud katapusan ning atong mga pag-antos kinabuhi. Oy, lahi-lahi lagdagway. Ang atong mga pag-antos matambal na natin ngay usa ka kasakit ug pag-antos na arang-arang na tasus na nambasay lain. Oy, mura sa tag makaingon ba ad infinitum? Murag wa nay katapusan. There are instances that we try to see life that way, that our sufferings in this world, an infinitum, unending naman, oy. And with that reality, hopefully, we see the more reasons to hope in God. Because ang tubag ni Jesus, ani sa mga Sadducees, in presenting this kind of scenario, the Lord is assuring them that they are like angels. They can no longer die. They are the children of God. They are the ones who will rise. Very positive. That our life here on earth our life here on earth will end, yes, But there is a better place waiting for all of us. Death in this world does not have the last word, but the life, the place assured by the Lord for all of us. There is reason to hope in God. Ang Ginoo na ginay nagsulti karon. Kung buhi pataron, hope in God. That's why I don't know, kung kapila mo makadungog ana, mintras may kinabuhi, may paglao.